Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with Wallet open and your phone unlocked. This saves time. Tap the card you plan to use because setting defaults happens per device. Once done, look for the small ellipsis or card info icon and tap it. If you prefer settings, open Settings, choose Wallet and Apple Pay, and prepare to change the default card in the top section. Make sure to note which card is currently listed as default card so you can confirm the swap immediately. Now you perform the actual swap. In Wallet, tap the card, open card details, and choose Make Default Card. In Settings, tap Default Card, then select the card you want. You do this because Apple links contactless payments to that default for quick transactions. Once selected, the system may prompt for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Authenticate to finalize. Make sure to verify by holding your phone near a terminal in an inactive test to see the active card light. Finish by confirming the new default appears at the top of Wallet and in Settings. Once done, try a small contactless payment to ensure the device uses the selected card. If the default flip doesn't show, restart Wallet or reboot the iPhone. This often resolves sync glitches. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in and recheck Wallet and Apple Pay. One key tip: make sure the card is active and not expired, because inactive cards won't become the default.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.